How to remove background in Photoshop using a layer mask. First, unlock the background layer by double-clicking on it in the Layers panel. Navigate to the Select menu and choose Subject. Photoshop will automatically detect and select the main subject of your image. You can also use the Quick Selection tool to manually outline the subject. Alternatively, use the Pen tool to manually trace the subject for more detailed results. With the selection active, click on the Add Layer Mask button at the bottom of the Layers panel. This creates a mask that hides the background while keeping the subject visible. If necessary, refine the mask manually by selecting the Layer Mask thumbnail in the Layers panel. Use a soft brush set to black to erase any unwanted background remnants. Adjust the brush opacity and flow for smooth blending. Use white to restore any areas that were mistakenly removed. Finally, save your file in your desired format.